This YouTube channel called Fern generate over $80,000 every single month. And if you look at their channel, you'll see why. Each video racks up millions of views. The channel focuses on intense documentary-style stories about hackers, cybercrime, and the biggest tech scandals. What really sets them apart is the stunning 3D animation, eye-catching visuals that pull you in and keep you glued until the very end. These videos feel like Netflix-level productions, the kind of content you'd expect a team of expert animators and editors to spend weeks and thousands of dollars creating. But here's the secret. You don't need a Hollywood budget to pull this off. What if I told you that you could create Fern-style videos using nothing but free AI tools? No expensive software, no massive editing team, just the right workflow, a few clever prompts, and the free resources I'm about to share with you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. So stick around until the end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's dive in. The very first step to creating Fern-style videos is choosing the right topic. You need topic or titles that instantly grab attention. To make this easy for you, I've done the research and put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts. These prompts will help you generate unique video topics or titles, and even engaging scripts tailored for this niche. You'll find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button. It tells the YouTube algorithm to push this video out to more creators who want to build faceless documentary channels using AI. Now let's jump back in. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the full topic prompt I prepared for you. Once you have it, open up your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt inside, and before you hit enter, make one quick edit. Tell the AI how many video topics or titles you want it to generate. Then press enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of unique, highly engaging video ideas, each with a short summary tailored to the hacker, cybercrime, and tech scandal niche. The best part is that if you don't like the first batch of ideas, you can simply ask ChatGPT to give you more, and it will instantly provide fresh topics to choose from. Go through the list, compare the options, and pick the video idea that excites you the most. This way, you'll always have a steady stream of SEO-friendly, viral-ready topics for your channel. Now that we've locked in our topic, the next step is to generate an engaging script. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the script prompt I created for you. Next, go over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and make a few quick edits. First, tell the AI how long you want your video to be by entering the number of minutes. Then input the topic number you chose earlier. Once you're done, hit enter. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a fully structured script that's designed to grab attention, build suspense, and keep viewers watching. The best part? These AI-powered scripts are modeled after viral storytelling frameworks, meaning your video has a much higher chance of going viral in the same way Fern-style documentaries dominate YouTube. The next step is to bring our script to life with a professional AI voiceover. For this, we'll be using ElevenLabs. Head over to the ElevenLabs website and sign up. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech to open the voice creation interface. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the script we just generated earlier. Paste it into ElevenLabs, and quickly clean it up by removing any extra parts you don't need, such as headings or formatting. After that, click on the Voices tab, where you'll see a wide range of natural-sounding AI voices. Take your time to preview them. Find one that matches the tone and style of your video, and once you're satisfied, click Generate. In just a few moments, ElevenLabs will produce a realistic, studio-quality voiceover for your script. Finally, download the audio straight to your device. And just like that, you now have a professional AI narrator for your video without hiring a voice actor. The next step is to generate the visuals that will make our video stand out. To do this, we'll first need high-quality image prompts. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. Then open up ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and hit enter. In just seconds, ChatGPT will generate detailed image prompts which we can use to generate images tailored for our niche. The same kind of cinematic visuals you see in Fern-style videos. These prompts are designed to create eye-catching, documentary-style images that hold your audience's attention. And here's the best part. Right under each image prompt, ChatGPT also provides a matching video prompt. We'll use these later to animate our images. Now it's time to actually generate our images. And for this step, we'll be using Google Whisk. Head over to Whisk, click on Enter Tool, and you'll be taken straight into the creation interface. The first thing you want to do is set your aspect ratio to 16:9. which is the standard widescreen format for YouTube videos. Next, head back to ChatGPT, copy the very first image prompt it generated for us, and paste it into Whisk. Once you hit Generate, the AI instantly begins creating cinematic visuals based on that prompt. Within seconds, you'll see two different images appear, both styled to look exactly like the kind of professional 3D animations you see in Fern's viral hacker documentaries. Choose the version that fits your vision best, then download it directly to your device. After that, simply repeat the same process for the remaining prompts until you have a complete set of stunning documentary-style visuals for your video. The next step is to transform our static images into dynamic video clips, and for this, we'll be using Google Veo 2. Head over to Google AI Studio and sign in with your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, open the menu bar, click on Generate Media, and from the list of AI tools, select Veo. This will take you into the Veo 2 creation interface. Now upload the first image you want to animate. Once it's uploaded, head back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt that matches your image, and paste it directly into Veo 2. Click Generate and the AI will begin turning your still image into a fully animated cinematic video clip. This process may take a few moments, but the results are worth it. When the video finishes rendering, preview it. You'll see how lifelike and professional it looks, almost identical to the animations used in Fern's viral hacker documentaries. Once you're satisfied, download the video directly to your device. Then simply repeat this process for each of your images until you have a full library of AI-generated cinematic clips ready for your documentary. The next step is to get background music to our video, and for this, we'll be using Suno. Head over to the Suno website and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon, and you'll be taken to the creation interface. Since we only need instrumental tracks and not lyrics, go ahead and close the lyrics section. Now, to make sure we get the perfect soundtrack for our video, return to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest a style of music that fits your script. Within seconds, ChatGPT will recommend a genre and mood tailored to your documentary. Copy that suggestion, go back to Suno, paste it into the prompt box, and give your track a title. Then click Create, and Suno will begin generating your background music. In just a few moments, Suno will present multiple variations of tracks based on the style you provided. Preview them. Now pick the one that fits your video's tone best and download it directly to your device. The last step is to bring everything together with editing. And for this, we'll be using CapCut. Head over to CapCut, click on New Project, and import all of the animated clips we generated earlier. The first thing you want to do is set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Next, import the voiceover we created with ElevenLabs. Play through the audio carefully, trimming out any unnecessary pauses or gaps to keep the narration smooth and professional. Once the voiceover is clean, start arranging your animated clips so they sync perfectly with the narration. Now let's add some style. Insert the date at the beginning of the video, choose a text template you like, and position it where it looks best. To make your video stand out, go to Effects, select Video Effects, and explore the options until you find one you prefer. Then drag it across the full timeline for consistency. Next, it's time to add captions. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions, and you will be presented with few caption templates. Choose the one you prefer, then click Generate, and in few seconds, CapCut will generate captions for our narration. Resize and position the captions so they're clear and easy to follow. Finally, bring in the background music we generated with Suno. Add it to the timeline, trim any excess so it matches your video length, and reduce the volume so it complements but doesn't overpower your voiceover. Once everything is in place, watch the full video from start to finish. If you're satisfied, click Export, boost the resolution to 4K, and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
December 23, 2015, in western Ukraine, the lights suddenly went out. Entire neighborhoods vanished into darkness. Who could pull the plug on a nation's power grid? Was it a glitch, a storm, or something far more dangerous? Behind the blackout was a shadowy hacker collective known as Sandworm. Linked to Russia, they weren't after money. They wanted chaos, revenge, a message: we control your future. For months, they silently studied Ukraine's energy networks.
If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comment section.